So today let's learn how to do the extended simple stitch. So to begin the extended, it's a little bit taller than a simple stitch. So when you start a row going across, you always have to chain one first. So we now chain one, so we've now gained the height of that stitch. Now what we have to do is that we have to pretend it's like a simple stitch. It's called an extended simple. So you're just gonna go in behind, just like you see, wrap the yarn and pull through. And then what you're going to do is that you're going to chain one with that same loop. And then you move on to the next stitch. So you just insert into the next one, pull through, and then chain one. And you keep doing that all the way across. So just going in, pull through, and then chain one. So with crochet you always feel like you have to wrap the hook first and then do what you have to do. This one you have to just insert in, pull through, and then chain one. So I'm going to move myself all the way to the other side, and you're gonna treat the other side just like you normally would. So you're going to insert in and pull through, and then you're going to chain one to finish it like it would normally do. Now you're gonna do your return pass. So now what you're going to do is that you're going to chain one again and then pull through two all the way back to the other side. And then you're gonna start your next row again. So your next row, when you go to start, so here's where you are. Normally with simple you just dive right into the next one, but because you are doing extended you're going to chain one first and then begin. So just going in, pull through, and then just chain one. So in, pull through, and chain one. And you do that all the way across the other side. So this is how you do your simple. This is an extended simple stitch, and thanks so much for Dela for showing me this new stitch. It's actually quite cool. So until next time, have a good one. We'll see you again real soon. Bye bye.